In this video, I will show you how to change your Exodus wallet address. So first of all, fire up your Exodus wallet app, and from here, go ahead and click on the tab all the way at the bottom left, and that is the portfolio tab. And from here, you need to click on receive next to buy. So let's go ahead and do that. And right now we can select an asset to receive. So let's say you want to receive Bitcoin, then you will have this as your Bitcoin address. And this is a unique address. So you can go ahead and copy this to your clipboard and then use it anywhere you like. And if you want to change your wallet address, so meaning that you want to receive a different asset, let's say Dogecoin, then you need to click on Dogecoin, for example, and then you will have another wallet address, especially for Dogecoin. So you can also go ahead and copy this to your clipboard and use it for whatever you like. And this is how you can change your wallet addresses on Exodus. They're listed in here, and if they're not popping up in this field for you, then you can just click on the search bar and then just type it in, and then you will see everything that is available. And for every different asset, you will have a unique wallet address. So that is how it works. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.